How to Misunderstand Famous Places. Once upon a time, I decided to travel across America. I thought it would be a good idea to read a book about famous places before I started. The book promised to tell me all about the great buildings, nature spots, and cultural places. First, I read about the Statue of Liberty. The book said the Statue of Liberty is a great symbol of freedom, and it holds a torch high in the sky. I imagined a lady with a big torch, looking like she was ready to light up the night, but when I saw the statue, it was huge. The torch looked tiny, and the statue seemed like it wanted to shout, "I am too big for this city." Next, I went to see the White House. The book described it as a classic building where the President of the United States lives. I thought classic meant fancy with lots of gold and big rooms. But the White House was just a big, white box with a nice lawn. It didn't look like a royal palace at all. I felt a little disappointed that the President didn't live in a castle. Then I visited Niagara Falls. The book said Niagara Falls is a powerful waterfall that makes a lot of noise. I thought it would be a small waterfall, but it was enormous. Water was crashing down with a huge roar. It was like the sky had opened up and was dumping a giant bucket of water. I almost got wet just looking at it. Finally, I went to Yellowstone National Park. The book said Yellowstone has amazing geysers and beautiful views. I imagined geysers as little fountains, but they were big and exploded with steam. The views were so strange that I thought I might see a dinosaur or maybe an alien. When I came back home, I wrote my own story about what I saw. I said, if you read a book about famous places, don't believe everything you read. It's better to see them with your own eyes. You might be surprised. So, my friends, if you travel to see famous places, remember that books can't always show the real picture. And if you're surprised by what you see, just laugh and enjoy the adventure. Please like and subscribe.